Tired of cluttered sink areas and smelly sponges? The InterDesign Gia soap sponge holder offers a simple, effective solution that keeps your kitchen sink organized and your cleaning tools dry. Designed to hold bar soap, sponges, scouring pads, or even drain stoppers, this holder keeps everything within easy reach while promoting faster drying to prevent bacterial growth. What makes this holder stand out is its open design, which allows water to flow through freely. That means your sponges and soaps dry quickly, cutting down on unpleasant odors and extending their lifespan. Made from polished stainless steel, it's built to last without rusting, even in a busy kitchen environment. Two strong plastic suction cups make installation a breeze, sticking firmly to any smooth sink surface without damaging it. One satisfied user shared their experience after 10 months of heavy use. They love how it declutters their counter space and keeps their sponge fresh and odor-free. The rust-free stainless steel and reliable suction cups hold up well, even with frequent sink use. When the suction cups lose grip, a quick clean of the sink wall and suction discs with dish detergent and water easily restores the holder's strong adhesion for months. If you're ready to keep your sink area tidy and your cleaning tools fresh, the InterDesign Gia soap sponge holder is worth a look. It's a practical upgrade that helps you maintain a cleaner, more organized kitchen with minimal effort. Try it when you're ready to enjoy a clutter-free sink and say goodbye to smelly sponges.